This video will show you how to calibrate your microscope. First, you want to make sure the calibration slide is in focus before replacing the eyepiece with the camera. After it is in focus, connect the camera to the computer. Select your camera from the camera list. This will project a live active image on your computer screen. Each objective, 4x, 10x, and 40x, will need to be calibrated separately, so you shouldn't need to switch objectives at any point during the calibration process. Make sure the micrometer is as straight and centered as possible before beginning calibration. Use the fine focus on the microscope to ensure the calibration slide is as clear as possible. Under the Capture and Resolution tab, check that Live and Snap are using the highest resolution available. Change the unit to pixel. Make sure the magnification is set to NA and the zoom percentage is at 100%. To begin the calibration process, go to Options, Calibrate, which will bring up the calibration window. The length between two hash marks on the calibration slide measures 0.01 millimeters. To calibrate the microscope, you need to position the dotted calibration lines straight against the left-hand side of two consecutive tall hash marks. As you can see, this calibration measurement measures 0.05 millimeters. Enter 0.05 into the actual length and double-check the unit of measurement is millimeters. Then select the magnification of the objective you are calibrating for, in this case 4x. Because this will also be the name of the magnification, you can add additional details to this field to help you identify the calibration. This is specifically helpful if you are using multiple cameras or microscopes. After pressing OK, the unit will change from pixel to millimeter and magnification will change from NA to whatever you named the calibration, in our case 4x. To check that the calibration worked, you can select the line tool and measure the hash marks on the calibration slide. Repeat this process for any other objectives you will be working with. To see all of the calibrations stored on your computer, go into Options, Magnification. If you want to remove a calibration, press Delete and Confirm, then press OK. If you try and exit the window using the X, your changes will not be saved.